You know, it's really easy to trust a group and say, hey, here's my money, invest it for me. I love the returns. I love what you guys are talking about. But more important than that is knowing what the group really stands for. Why do they love the environment or investing in the city, in the town, the area that they're locally in? Who's on the team? Who's actually on the team? You should know. As an investor, you should be not just accreditation of an investor. Accreditation just means that the government says you have enough money or assets to be able to invest. But what it really comes down to is you have to know, as an investor, you are responsible for the investment itself. So you should know why we're investing in these areas. You should know how transparent we are going to be about the financials, what's coming in, what's coming out. Who's the property manager on this team? You should have all the names, be able to ask all the questions, make sure that the property is zoned correctly. What type of rehab does it need to be done on this property? What do you need to know as an investor? How can you help? Get to know underwriting as well. What is underwriting? What is that process like? What does it take from going into a deal, finding a deal, talking to the brokers, sourcing a deal? What does that process actually look like? To be a seasoned investor, you have to know these things in order to be able to trust others enough to put your money in. I don't want you to just trust me, but you have to understand. I want you to understand and trust the process that I have done to get to where we are today.